Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now in this video I'm going to start a new chapter, that is sequences and series. So first you have to know what is sequence. A set of numbers arranged in a definite order according to some definite rule is called sequence. Okay, a set of numbers arranged in definite order according to some definite rule is called sequence, and each number of the set is called the term of that sequence. Okay, sequence is called a finite or infinite according to the number of terms in it, finite or infinite. अगर सीक्वेंस में जो नंबर दिया हुआ है अगर फाइनाइट टर्म है तो फाइनाइट सीक्वेंस, अगर इनफाइनाइट है तो इनफाइनाइट सीक्वेंस. Clear? Suppose here the example 3, 5, 7, 9 up to 21. Okay, this is an example of a sequence. बिकॉज यहाँ पर देखिए हर एक नंबर जो दिया हुआ है 3, 5, 7, हर एक नंबर का जो डिफरेंस है वो 2 है. इसका मतलब जो फर्स्ट नंबर है अगर फर्स्ट नंबर के साथ अगर 2 ऐड करेंगे तो सेकेंड नंबर आएगा, अगर सेकेंड के साथ 2 ऐड करेंगे थर्ड नंबर आएगा, अगर थर्ड के साथ 2 ऐड करेंगे फोर्थ नंबर आएगा. इस तरह से आपका चलता जाएगा. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, सपोज हियर 1, 4, 9, 16 इट्स ऑल्सो एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ सीक्वेंस. क्योंकि यहाँ पर देखिए जो फर्स्ट नंबर है, ओके, फर्स्ट नंबर है जो उसका होल स्क्वायर है, जो 1 का होल स्क्वायर होता है दैट इज द फर्स्ट नंबर. नाउ नेक्स्ट 2, 2 का होल स्क्वायर 4 होता है दैट इज द सेकेंड नंबर. नाउ 3, 3 का होल स्क्वायर 9 होता है, फोर्थ नंबर, थर्ड नंबर. एंड 4 का होल स्क्वायर फोर्थ नंबर. इस तरह से नेक्स्ट पर क्या होगा, 5 का होल स्क्वायर होगा 25. So first one, second one, both are the sequence, but here the second one is also called a progression. Okay, second one is also called a progression. Now what is a progression? If the terms of a sequence can be described by an explicit formula, then the sequence is called a progression. Okay, and here the formula is the number an equal to n square. अगर each and every number को अगर square करेंगे तो sequence का जो term है first term, second term, third term इस तरह से आ जाएगा. Clear? So if the terms of a sequence can be described by an explicit formula, then the sequence is called progression. Okay, now the next one, series. If the terms of the sequence are connected by plus sign, we get a series. That means here, suppose here 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus plus 21. So that is called a series. ओके, सीक्वेंस का जो टर्म दिया हुआ है अगर टर्म को हम ईच एंड एवरी टर्म को अगर प्लस साइन से हम कनेक्ट करेंगे तो उसको हम बोलेंगे सीरीज. सो हो गया सीरीज, प्रोग्रेशन एंड सीक्वेंस. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व एक्सरसाइज 10.1. एक्सरसाइज 10.1. Okay, so here the first problem. Given an example of a sequence which is not a progression. It's very easy. So here the number 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. So here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 it represent the sequence as the number are arranged according to some definite rule. Okay, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पर लिख दिया है a4 minus a3 equal to 2 दिया हुआ है. ओके, a4 इसका मतलब फोर्थ जो नंबर है, फोर्थ नंबर और थर्ड नंबर का डिफरेंस 2 है. इस तरह से a5 minus a4 equal to 4 है. फिर a6 माइनस a5 that one equal to again 2 है. So एक rule दिया हुआ है, but it does not represent a progression as the term of the sequence cannot be expressed by the explicit formula. Okay, so it's only called a sequence. Now number 2, if a sequence is given by, here a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 3 plus a1, and an equal to 2 n minus 1 minus 1 for n greater than 2, then write the corresponding series up to fourth term. Okay, so as here a1, okay, a1 equal to 2 and a2 equal to 3 plus a1, so you can write down here a2 equal to 3 plus 2 and that one equal to 5. Okay, so a3 equal to here the formula an. For the an, the formula is this one. So as a3, you just replace the n by 3. So it will be here 2, then here a, and 3 minus 1 minus 1. So 2a2 minus 1. So that means 2 into 5 minus 1, and that one equal to here 9. Next a4, 2 into a3 minus 1. That means here 2 into 9 minus 1. So it's 17. Okay, so first one here 2, second one 5, third one here 9, and the fourth one 17. Then write the corresponding series up to fourth term. So here your answer 2, its series, that means you have to write down plus 5, then 9, and then 17. That is your answer. Now next one, sum number 3. Okay, write the next term of each of the following sequences. So here the first one 3, 1, then minus 1, minus 3, dot dot dot. You have to write the next term. So as here 3, okay, so 3 and 1, that means here a2 minus a1, definitely here a3 minus a2, then here a4 minus a3, all are same. So as here a2 minus a1, a2 minus a1 equal to 1 minus 3, that one equal to here minus 2. Okay, in that case the second one a3 minus a2, that means minus 1 is also minus 2. So definitely the fifth term. Okay, so here the fourth term is minus 3, so the fifth term will be, that means a5 will be here a4 minus 2, as here a4 is minus 3, so minus 3 minus 2, that one equal to here minus 5. So the next term will be here minus 5. Okay, minus 5 is your answer. Now the next one, number 2, 5 minus 5 by 2, 5 by 4, minus 5 by 8. So here each and every in the second term. Here a2 equal to, I think, a1 into minus half. Okay, इस तरह से a3 equal to a2 into again minus half, and a4 equal to a3 into minus half. So definitely a5 equal to a4 into minus half. So a4 यहाँ पर minus 5 by 8 into minus half. So that means here 5 by 16. So your answer will be here 5 by 16. Now next, sum number 4. Write the next term of each of the following sequences. So here number 1, 0, 2, 6, 12, 20. Okay, so 0 2 6 12 20. So here a1 equal to 0, a2 equal to 2, a3 equal to 6, a4 12, a5 20, and you have to find out a6 here. Clear? So as here a2 minus a1, that one equal to 2. Next a3 minus a2, that one equal to here 4. Then a4 minus a3, that one equal to here 6. Now here a5, a4 minus a3, the next one will be a5 minus a4. Okay, that one equal to here 8. So definitely a6 a6 minus a5, that one equal to here 10. So as here a6 minus a5 equal to 10, then a6 will be here 10 plus a5, that means 20, so that is going to be 30. So the next term will be here 30. Okay. Now number 2. So here in number 2 you have 1, 5, 14, 30, 55. Okay. So as here the first one is 1 and second one here 5. So 5 means you can write down 1 plus 2 square. Now for 14 you can write down here 1 plus, sorry, 1 not, it's 5 plus 5 plus here 3 square. That means the previous term plus the order. That is first one is 2, then second one will be 3. Now for 30 the previous term here 14, so 14 plus then here 4 square. Okay. फॉर 55, अब 55 के पहले क्या था 30 था, इसीलिए यहाँ पर 30 प्लस और यहाँ पर 5 स्क्वायर होगा, 2 स्क्वायर 3 स्क्वायर 4 स्क्वायर 5 स्क्वायर इस तरह से चलता जाएगा. नाउ फॉर द लास्ट टर्म के लिए यहाँ पर लिखिए 30 था, इसके लिए यहाँ पर 55 होगा और यहाँ पर 6 स्क्वायर होगा. नाउ 55 प्लस 6 स्क्वायर दैट मींस 36. So 55 plus 36, that one equal to here 91. So 91 is the next term in that sequence. Okay, clear? Now let's move on to the next problem, sum number 5. So here in sum number 5, write first 5 terms of the following sequences whose nth term are given here. So here the number 1, an equal to 2n plus 5. It's very easy. So first here you have to find out a1. So a1 equal to here 2 into 1, that means 2 plus 5. So that will equal to 7. So first term here 7. Then a2 equal to 2 into 2, so 4 plus 5, that one equal to here 9. a3 equal to 2 into 3, so 6 plus 5, that one equal to here 11. Then a4 equal to 2 into 4, 8 plus 5, that one equal to here 13. And a5 2 into 5, that means here 10 plus 5, that one equal to here 15. Okay, so here you have to write down the sequences. So 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Okay, this is the first term of that sequences. Now next one, number 2. So in number 2 here, an, okay, an equal to n into n minus 1. So that means here first term will be 1 into 1 minus 1, that means 0. Then a2 1, so here 2 into 2 minus 1, so 2 minus 1 1, that means here 2. a3 3 into 3 minus 1, so it's 6. a4 4 into 4 minus 1, that means here 12. And last one a5 5 into 5 minus 1, so it's 20. So here the sequence 0 2 6 12 20 dot dot dot. Okay, now next one, number 3. So here number 3, an, that one equal to 2 to the power n. So the first number is 1 to the power, sorry, 2 to the power 1, that means 2. Second one 2 to the power 2, that means 4. 2 to the power 3 8. 2 to the power 4 it's 16. 2 to the power 5 32. Okay, so that is your answer. Now the last one, number 4. Okay, so here in number 4, an, okay, an equal to n square plus 1 by 2n minus 3. N square plus 1 by 2n minus 3. So as here a1 equal to 1 square means 1 plus 1, so it's 2. 2 into 1, that means here minus 3. So that one equal to here minus 2. Next a2, 2 square means 4. So 4 plus 1 it's 5. Here 4 minus 3 it's 1. So that one equal to here 5. a3, 3 square means 9. So 10. Here 6 minus 3, so it's 3. That means 10 by 3. Next a4, 4 square 16, so 17. 8 minus 3 it's 5, so 17 by 5. And the last one here a5, 5 square means 25, so 26. And here 10, so it's 7, so 26 by 7. So here your answer minus 2, 5, 10 by 3, 17 by 5 and 26 by 7. Now sum number 6. This is last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here, find the indicated terms in each of the following sequences whose nth term are given. So here number 1, an equal to 4n minus 3. Okay, and then here A17 and A24. So you have to find out here A17. So for A17 here 4 into 17 minus 3. Okay, so 68 minus 3, that one equal to here 65. Okay, so 65 is your first answer. Now A24, so 4 into 24 minus 3. So that one equal to here 96 minus 3 and it's 93. Now sum number 2. Here an equal to minus 1 whole to the power n minus 1, then here n cube, and you have to find out here an. Okay, sorry, a9. So here minus 1, then 9 minus 1, it's 8, and then here 9 to the power 3. So minus 1 whole to the power 8, even number, so it will be here 1, and 9 to the power 3, it's 7 to 9. So here your answer 7 to 9.